Today I'm gonna show you how to make this, to make your videos go viral with After Effects. Follow my steps and make sure to watch till the end. So today I'm gonna show you how to remove a green screen from both videos and images in After Effects. This process works the same for both, so let's get started. As you can see, I have a clip of Sydney Sweeney from Euphoria ready to use. So this process is pretty simple, so you have to go to your effects and presets and type in key light. Now drag it into your clip and go to screen color, click here and click on the green and it will disappear. You can use this on your videos and also your images. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe and let me know what you'd like to see next. See you in the next one. Bye.